What's going on? This is Chris Badgett. I'm just out here on another walk with my dogs. They're kind of on high alert because I can hear a pack of coyotes out in the woods making a lot of noise. But anyways, in this video, I wanted to talk about a prioritization that I think can help people get unstuck. And I've also noticed this in my own life. And this applies to entrepreneurship, but it also applies to a lot of different things. And that is, if we look at business, say, in the industry I work in, which is where I help experts and teachers and entrepreneurs build education-based companies with Lifter LMS, there's something I noticed in that whole world and that whole community. There's kind of two approaches you can take, and I look at which one works better than the other, and it has to do with a starting point. I'm not saying that one is better than the other, but the starting point or the prioritization really matters. And what that is there's this whole industry of make money online, or the business opportunity, biz op type information and products and courses and memberships and all this out there. It's about making money on the internet, and there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not saying that's bad, but what happens is I see these products or programs or experts or content come up, but it's playing to a human pain point of not having enough money, or working in a job you hate, or people just wanting to, make their life better, which isn't bad. And I think money's going to help with that, and they want to do whatever they can to make money online or find the perfect business opportunity. But when I survey the landscape through my customers and users, and also just look across the industry in general, there's another prioritization above that the successful ones have. And it's just really about serving and not focusing inward as to how can I make money online. It's more of how can I help a certain type of person get what they want. Zig Ziglar, who said that if you help enough people get what they want, you're going to get what you want. Like, that was a quote he said a long time ago that's always resonated with me. But and I understand it, like sometimes there's some desperation or pain or ego involved where I need more money, or I want to make money, or I want to create like some kind of freedom business so I can have the lifestyle I want. That's very I statement. It's very like me focused. But when the conversation changes to how can I serve and help other people get what they want, the world starts opening up, and you're much more likely to get results. The marketing gets easier. You don't have to rely on like scarcity tactics and all that stuff that we get really annoyed about as consumers on the internet. And this applies outside of online business. Any industry is really about serving people. And if you look at, like, I'm thinking of Mark Cuban. I heard him say in an interview a long time ago that what's one of the secrets to your success? Mark Cuban is a billionaire, and he said ubiquity. So basically what he's saying there is he's helping a lot of people with a very common problem that, crosses multiple like market segments. Ubiquity. Like, that's why Mark Cuban is a billionaire, not because he's really good at making money online or wanted to make money online. And he's not an online entrepreneur, although that's where he started with some sports internet stuff. But it's about service, and it's about prioritizing the focus outside of yourself and really focusing on who you're serving and how you're going to serve them and what you're going to use to serve them. So again, making the money is not a bad thing. I'm not against that. I'm just about the prioritization of what you focus on first or at the highest level. And that's outside of you. That's somebody else. That's a pain. That's a problem going on in our world. That's a situation that you are called to help serve. That's what it's all about. And if it's a really big problem, that's where the most revenue or outcome lies. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day.